Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Pembroke, local and long-distance movers near me. You can get a cheap Pembroke moving company by hiring 3 movers today. We offer the most dependable local and long-distance moving services for a low price. A long-distance move is any move of 100 miles or further. When you have to relocate, we have the right services to help, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We offer everything you need to relocate 100 miles away, 1,000 miles away, or even further. Our team is ready to take care of all the hard work for you. With our help, you'll have less to worry about when you move. With the right Canada Moving Company, your local move becomes much easier. It's still a lot of heavy lifting and hard work, even if you're just going down the road. Hiring movers means you can avoid all the labor involved in your move. 3 Movers is the right team to get you there faster. We streamline the process to give you the most efficient local move possible. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pembroke moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.